Well, hello and welcome to a Monday morning Vandal vlog video. And in this episode I'm going to a place called Man's Bridge. Don't know why they call it Man's Bridge. I guess they forgot the guy's name and they just went, oh, you know, that man that built the bridge. Oh, Man's Bridge, yeah, that guy. So I'm going there. I had a tip off from my buddy that there was a skip round there, had some sort of golf cart or go-kart hanging out of it. And there might be an oven or something in that area as well, so I'm just going to nip over there quick, try and ram it in here because this van's getting pretty full, and yeah, snake our way to Greg's or Costa and get some breakfast, and then go to the scrapyard and get weighed and paid first thing on a Monday morning. It's currently about 6:20, I think. But I need to, I could have pulled over there. I need to pull over somewhere and just have a little, a very mild tidy up. And I mean very mild tidy up. Let's have a look, let's duck in here quick, shall we? Yeah, that's a spot right there. Well, it's going to be a bit dark, so I ain't got the torch. Right, scrap the microwave, I scrap the dishwasher. I've got a couple of bikes here I need to move around. Go on, get away here. Boom, boom. Have we got some room in here yet? Oh yes. Right, let's go and see if we can find these bits and pieces in. Oh, I've got to work up. Whoa. What a bellend. Did you see that? There's a couple of times cars have done that the last couple of days. They can't wait, so they've just got to take over. Bellends. Right, nothing in there today. Exactly the same as what it was. Oh, a GMC. Size of that thing. You get some scrap in there, aye. Little something. Desperate. It's a ruddy noise. Any more little bits. What else we got? What's that? Is that metal? It's metal enough. Bit of room for it. A little bit of something. What up, human? Oh, I'm probably going to regret it, but needs must and all that jazz. blinking naughty about it. Van's full. Stopped and had a little chat with an old buddy, but the Womble's around. So if the Womble's around, we're screwed. So there's only one thing to do. We need to make a sacrifice to the scrap gods. Oh, yeah. Oh, what? How the hell am I getting that in there? Bloody wash machine. How am I going to get a wash machine in here? No way. Oh, I'm gonna have to leave it. I'm not. I'll take the fucking. I'll get the motor out of it. Stuff it. I'll come back to the rest later. Coming out. Damn it. Don't lose me out. Sod it. There's no way I'm getting that in there. There's just no way. Damn. Ah! What time is it? Flipping scrapyard ain't open for ages. 7. Well, let's go to scrapyard. Just have to hope that's there when I come back. Doubt it. Right then, before my battery dies, I went in with short steel, 40 kilograms of short steel. That was £190 a tonne, £7.60. Shearing steel, that was a 20 kilogram radiator, £180 a tonne for £3.60. And light iron was 300 kilograms on that, £110 a tonne, £33, which gave me a final sum of £44.20. That's not too shabby. That's only a couple of hours just running around getting stuff. I've just picked up another little radiator on the way out the scrapyard, and obviously I've just picked up that washing machine. Good times. Right, I haven't made a sacrifice to the gods yet, so I'm going to go and do that, change this battery over, make my way home, and we do a bit of mooching and scooping on the way. Yeah. Right, just want to give you guys a quick recap. I ain't even been to Greg's yet, or Costa, or wherever the hell I'm going. Just have a look in here quick. Any scrappy bits around there? No. It's alright, but I've been busy. Hello. Oh, I found loads of stuff. I think you guys saw me pick the washing machine up. I then picked up a barbecue, a bunch of scooters, a kid's chair, a microwave, a small radiator, stair gates, that chair, and these bikes, which is aluminium here. So I just want to tidy it up a bit more somehow, and try and ram as much in here as I can. There you go. Got the bike in there. Tell you what, there's quite a bit of stuff in there really. You see what it did look like. Let's go and get some more. And we're back. I have made a sacrifice to the scrap goddess. Unfortunately, there was a big queue of zombies outside Greg's, which I think was the scrap goddess's way of saying she wanted chicken. She wanted that good chicken, so we got that good chicken. And we sacrificed that chicken. And we saw that it was good, and we also tasted it was very, very good. Very, very good. I eat a bonus bouquet meal, if anyone's wondering, with a side of beans, a Pepsi, and I've got a coffee. So thanks guys. So I'm going to little mosey up in here. I have to go back to my area to see my burrow, and I'm going to check those skips on the way. Remember those 3 skips in a row that I said, you know, keep going past them, keep keeping an eye on them. So we're going to go past them and probably see absolutely nothing. And yeah, do a bit of bird spotting on the way. Good times. Here we are, it's just up here somewhere. There we go, let's go this way. Let's go in this way. Oh, what that is. A little box of something. I'm intrigued, so I'm taking it. Box of tools. The door will open. Oh, stand still. Take that and all. Oh, my box fell over. Nice. Tools. I like tools. I see scrappy bits. There's another bloody trolley. The hell is in there? Oh. Pass on that. Another bloody trolley, it's full of wet carpet. Oh, I just saw some other stuff around here. Let's go and investigate. Lincoln bed frames. I'll take bed frames. No, that's all. Hello. The noisy fox is here. Best as I could to get this round. Stay bike. The doors are going to be wrecked, aren't they? What's the other thing? Cannot be bothered. Folded up, so I'll take it. What up, lady? How you doing? I'm so glad the summer's here, or spring, whatever you call it. We're at the honey hole. Been here in a while. There's some scrap over there, isn't it? Cool boys, have little butchers, you know. See what's crack-a-lacking. Not a lot by the looks of it. Crap. That's all I find now, is some bloody baby chairs. Don't want baby chairs. Want some decent scrap. Oh, I'll take a couple of bits. Every little helps to clean up these streets, one street at a time, and all that jazz. Oh, isn't that fun? A bit more. Get out. Pillar drill in there, I think. The noisy fox is here. just up the road here, I found a little pile of stuff up here. I found a few exercise machines and stuff up here as well, so I'm just going to have a little gander. Goosey, goosey gander. Whatever shall we find? Oh, look at that. Oh, would you look at that. Would you look at that. And there's a microwave over there. Damn. It's good times. What's that? Dishwasher. Tumble dryer. We'll take it there. Ready for a operation. So I got that bundle of stuff for last time. I'll take a microwave. Hell yeah. Yes. People must be enjoying the sun and just getting some work done, putting stuff out. Get some good scores today. Right, I'm just going to pull up here. I'm going to scrap this microwave out and the tumble dryer. There's a bunch of stuff down there. I just passed the road. There was a bunch of stuff out down there as well. So I'm going to do what I can here. At the moment, scratched out. Soldier then. It's bound to be aluminium. It is. Soldier. Dealing with it. The fluff in here. Some scratch out. Let's have a look over here then, shall we? See what we got going on. Yeah, a bit of metal. Oh, bloody scooter. Shut up, dog. Shut up, dog. Chair's getting rich. So the cord stacking up. Rubble. Stay. Yeah, some cords in it. Is that Lego? Oh, Lego there. Bloody dogs. I've never seen a fox before. Oh, I keep getting bits like that, but you know. Look at here. Broken TVs. That's great. Car seat is quite heavy. The dog will reason the bark in a minute. If I can take TVs. If I can take TVs or not, I'll have to ask. I have to ask at my yard about the TVs because I can get blinking hundreds of them. Surely they go as light iron, aren't they? You'd think. Man, it's hot. What do we think, people? What is it? 3? It's a seat. It's a bit of scrap. 3. Oh, I'll take it. It's got my name on it. I'll have it. Let's have it. Leather seat, adjustable. 3 to a good home. I'll find a good home for you. Don't you worry about that. What we got hither? Some sort of whiteboard. Some weirdos. Sorry, love. I was looking at scrap. You were lookable as well, though. To be honest with you. I mean, she wants to get in the back of the van. Crack on. Don't know what that is. Right, I'll let you know if I see anything else. I mean, you know, desperate times, desperate measures, leave nothing. Leave nothing. Hopefully the scrap goddess is watching me. She saw that and she's going to reward me with a big fat juicy boiler. Scooter and a printer. Oh, they look like fair game. I'll take the scooters and the cord or the worm off the printer. That's all I'm taking. The scooters are definitely scrap. I'll open my boot. Just. Just unplug it. Take this scrappy. That's so annoying. That's so ruddy annoying, those scooters. Scooters and stair gates and washing lines. Washing lines will assault you. Yes, definitely taking that. That's good times there. You know, it's pretty empty. They took all the good stuff, but there's some brassy bits in there and it's made out of metal, so yeah, I'll take it. chair. So we're on a chair day. I'll take anything. Go ahead. Go ahead, ninja. Like a ninja. I like the way they run, but they hardly move. That's not just, you know, people in general seem to do it like that. Anyway, towards